Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix Snapchat chat not showing problem. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So guys, simply the main reason of this problem is update your Snapchat app. Simply first of all, you need to update your Snapchat app. So guys, how can you need to in your Play Store? So guys, first of all, go to Play Store and tap on search bar and search Snapchat app. Make sure that your Snapchat is updated. If not updated, so guys, first of all, update your Snapchat app. After this, go back. Next method, go to your mobile phone settings and open your mobile phone apps and tap on app search bar and search Snapchat app and click on Snapchat app and click on storage. Click clear cache and go back and scroll down. Now click on permission and turn on all permission. So guys, after doing all these steps, your problem will be fixed. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comments and share. Thank you.